News coming in from the Supreme Court. Subrata Roy has tendered an unconditional apology to the Apex Court for not appearing before it had issued a non-bailable warrant against Roy, who was kept in interim custody for 3 days in a forest guest house near Lucknow. The Apex Court had asked Subrata Roy to appear before it in the matter relating to Sahara versus SEBI, failing which the Supreme Court had issued a non-bailable warrant against Subrata Roy. Let's get an word from our correspondent Ashish Merishi, who's joining us from outside the Supreme Court this afternoon. Ashish, Subrata Roy tendering an unconditional apology to the Supreme Court. Is that likely to have any kind of impact in the proceedings against him?
Well, we have to see how lenient or the strict view the Supreme Court takes. But as far as Subrata Roy is concerned, he has tendered an unconditional apology and has said that his reason for not appearing in the court is genuine. It was genuine, and his mother is on the deathbed. But the Supreme Court, in fact, on the other hand, said that, you know, we gave you ample opportunities, but you did not respect the court. That is what we have been able to gather from inside the court. Our colleague is inside, Jaskirat is inside as of now, and this is what we have been able to hear till now. But let us see how strict or a lenient view the court takes, for the reason that non-bailable warrants were issued against him. Then Ram Jethmalani, his counsel, he's himself there, and he has said that, you know, ASAP, the rest of the 19,000 crores which is left will be returned to the investors. You know, all sorts of you can say techniques are being used by Ram Jethmalani to save Subrata Roy from the heat of Supreme Court, and they have actually, you know, now accepted that the law of the land is above everybody, and we have you know, the hearing is still on, and let us see how, you know, what view does the Supreme Court takes, whether they are ready to accept his apology, whether they are you know, ready to accept that within they're ready to give 2 months time to return the money to the investors. Do these promises actually, you know, is Supreme Court going to buy these you know, promises or not? That is still to be seen.
Ashish, thanks so much for that update. Subrata Roy tendering an unconditional apology to the Apex Court. In fact, the visuals that are playing out on your screens earlier this morning, Subrata Roy was also attacked by ink when he arrived at the venue for the hearing.